Enhance your business, promote your products, and get your message across with our A-Frame Aluminum Markerboard. This dry erase whiteboard is constructed of premium Satin Anodized Aluminum frame, which makes it both lightweight and durable. There is a side hinge for stability and 2 rubber stoppers on the legs for support. This board is very easy and convenient to set up. Simply open up the frame and push down the side hinge and you are ready to go. Use any dry erase markers or try our fluorescent liquid chalk markers for vivid colors. The marker board features 2 large double-sided writing areas, which provides plenty of space to display your menus, promotions, specials, and much more. Order yours today for your store, restaurant, or next special event.